Healthy morning, life changers! I am Romalyn Dantay from 316 Quality Point Corporation. I am a proud Salad Master owner, and at the same time, I am an active consultant. My Salad Master story started when I've decided to invest my Salad Master set last April 2018. I would say that I'm really satisfied with the health investment, and I started to join the business to enjoy the financial freedom that most of the Salad Master owners that are enjoying right now. Since I'm enjoying this amazing cookware in preparing for my family's everyday meals and as a way of sharing my simple and yet healthy dishes to my friends and family, I have thought of making my own YouTube account, which is named Malin Kitchen, to show the basic steps and ingredients in making healthy recipes for their family that would be made possible using the premium cookware, the Salad Master cooking system. Here are some of my recipes posted in my account. Using our salad machine, phone number 5. Guys, this is my finished product, fried chicken, cooked without using oil. For cookware, hindi na po talaga kailangan magmantika. Kusa na pong lalabas ang sariling mantika. Again, this is Romalyn Dantay, and this is my Salad Master story. Remember, with Salad Master, everything is possible.